myth busting. Myth busting. We're going to start with some skincare facts. I'm going to help you out here right away to get you through the cosmetic counters. True or false? Expensive skincare products are better than inexpensive skincare products. False. I love you. So I want you to know I don't get that false all over the world. Most women believe that expensive means better in the world of skincare, and I could tell you, thousands and thousands of products later, 6 editions going into my 7th edition of my book, what I can say unequivocally is expensive doesn't mean better. I just reviewed a product from Giorgio Armani. Now, Giorgio Armani does some pretty darn good makeup items. Just launched a skincare product for $176 for 1 point some ounces, and all it is wax and water and some mushroom extract. Somebody's buying it somewhere. Natural ingredients are better than synthetic ones. Natural ingredients. This doesn't feel so good when I'm doing it in other cities. Yes, false. False. There are a lot of natural ingredients I wouldn't want you putting on your face. Well, just basically, poison ivy is natural. You just thought of a few. I saw that. You just thought of a few that are natural that you would. Lots of things are natural. It doesn't mean it goes on the skin. As a matter of fact, some of the most common ingredients showing up in skincare products today that are natural are often bad for skin. And it's happening more and more because they know if they stick a little peppermint in there and a little menthol and a little eucalyptus, a little lime oil and a little lemon oil, you'll think it's natural. You'll think that sounds all wonderful. It'll tingle a little bit and then you'll think, oh, it's doing something. So they're even more excited about sticking those things in their products than ever before. We'll talk about essential oils later, but essential oils are only essential for your nose. They are completely unessential on any part of your skin. Oh, well, I mean, okay, so if you wanted to do it on the hot points for fragrance, okay. But as overall for skincare, it's a problem. Everyone's skin is different, so they should just use what they like. True or false? Ooh, that's a hard one. What do you think? It's false. Ooh, I gotcha. Okay, here's why. Because you might like what's not good for you. Everybody likes what's not good for them, right? Chocolate cake, I would eat it 7 times a day, with a big dollop of ice cream and, Rocky Fudge, whatever. We often, smoking, tanning, not wearing sunscreen. We all like what isn't good for us. If you just use what you like, you could be missing the boat. Meaning taking the best care of your skin, or worse, using something that's not good. You might like that product with wafting smell that is little better than eau de cologne, and often is just eau de cologne packaged in a skincare product. That would be damaging to your skin. You might like something that tingles, and I'll explain to you why that tingling, that irritated sensation, is bad for skin. If you just use what you like, you will most likely end up doing something bad for your skin. Here's something else that's important to keep in mind. A lot of you, not my group, but in the rest of the world, a lot of women love moisturizers, their daytime moisturizer, in a jar. And we'll talk about that. Jar packaging is bad packaging for skincare products that are well formulated. You might like that daytime, I could go on and on. You might like that daytime moisturizer and it doesn't contain sunscreen. That makes it a bad product. If you just went by what you like, you would most likely at some point be making a mistake in your skincare routine. You have sensitive skin and should only use products designed for sensitive skin that say for sensitive skin on the label. True or false? False. Yes, that's right. It's false. Here's an example. Burt's Bees toner. Rose water, that's eau de cologne. That isn't skincare. SD alcohol, that's irritating. Oh, but notice that it's from yellow corn. It sounds natural, so it makes it sound good. Vegetable glycerin is actually okay, but that's actually, I won't even get to why that doesn't make any sense, but that's okay. Glycerin is actually a very good ingredient for skin, so is aloe. Corn flour is actually an irritant. It triggers allergies. 80% of people are most likely to be allergic to it. and on and on. So much for a label saying it's good for sensitive skin. And I see that all the time in the cosmetics industry.